India's military has undergone a transformation since the Balakot airstrikes in 2019. From precision airstrikes deep inside enemy territory to a robust response to border tensions with China, India's armed forces have closed critical capability gaps, making them more formidable than ever before. In the last 5 to 6 years, India has inducted a formidable array of weaponry both imported and indigenously developed. Here's what powers India's new military edge. There are 36 Rafale jets already in service and 26 more have been ordered to the Indian Navy, bringing cutting-edge air dominance. India has deployed 3 S-400 air defense system squadrons in key strategic areas to counter threats from both Pakistan and China. The original deal, signed in 2018, was for 5 squadrons. The 4th squadron is expected to be delivered by the end of 2025 and the 5th by early 2026. The Barak 8 air defense system is also operational. It is a medium to long range surface-to-missile jointly developed by India's Defence Research and Development Organisation and Israel Aerospace Industries. India also has INS Vikrant, the nation's first indigenous aircraft carrier. New warships added since 2019 include the nuclear power INS Arigat. 15 Prachand light combat helicopters have been inducted, boosting agility and firepower. 12 C-295 tactical transport aircraft have also been inducted for rapid troop and cargo movement. In terms of artillery, India has 100 K9 Vajra guns with 100 more on order. Pinaka rocket systems have also been expanded. Over 1 lakh assault rifles AK-203 and 1.45 lakh 6-hour rifles are there at the disposal of frontline troops. Unmanned systems and smart weapons also features in India's defense capabilities. This includes new drones, precision munitions, and surveillance systems. India's technological leap is evident. The successful test of a 30 kilowatt laser weapon positions India among a select group of nations with directed energy weapons capable of neutralizing drones and missiles. The ground test of a scramjet engine marks a milestone towards developing hypersonic missiles, joining the ranks of the US, Russia, and China. India's nuclear triad has been reinforced. The INS Arigat submarines K-4 missile launch and the Agni 5's MIRV capability ensure multiple precise nuclear strikes from land, air, and sea. The upcoming Project Kusha will further extend India's air defense reach to 350 kilometers. Modern tanks, advanced artillery, and a growing fleet of fighter jets and helicopters ensure India's Army and Air Force remain ready for any contingency.